Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Pluto TV account. If you don't want to use your Pluto TV account and you'd like to get rid of your account and all of its data, then here's how you can do it. Open a web browser and type in pluto.tv into the search box and search. Also, make sure that you are logged into your Pluto TV account by entering your correct credentials. After you are logged into your account, go ahead and mouse over to your profile icon at the top right and click on Help and Support. This will then open up the support.pluto.tv website. Once you end up in this page, click on the Contact Us button at the top right hand corner. Now, you need to fill in the form that is given on the display. Enter your first name on the first text box. On the next field, enter your last name and enter your email address that is associated with pluto.tv inside the email address text box. Now, click on the drop down right under Category and select Account and Registration. Click the subcategory drop down and click on Delete Account Request. Now enter a description according to your choice. Enter a description for any problem or request you are trying to make. After you are done typing in the description, go to the next field and click the drop down under Platform and select one of the platforms you are currently using. After you are done, right where it says Device Connection, select one of the options. Select an option. Select your country from the drop down on the next field, and if you've got anything to upload or mention over here, you can click on the Upload Files button and select one of your files you'd like to mention. Finally, click on I'm Not a Robot and click on the Submit button to make your account deletion request. If all of the credentials and informations are correct, you'll be able to make a request to delete your account. You will then receive a confirmation via email for your account deletion process. So that was how you can easily delete your account for Pluto TV with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.